guys, it's me, Kiddo Koder, and today I'm going to be showing you guys two pieces of code, new pieces of code. The first code makes a star, a rainbow star to be exact, and the second piece of code makes a flower. Okay, let's explain the flower code first. So, the first block is to get start, so you press the start button to start. Okay, the second block is to make your sprite or object go in the middle. The third block is erase everything that you've written down, so like all this would be erased. And then fourth block is pen down. Pen down is basically if you have a marker attached to an object, it'd put the marker down. And then when you move the object, the marker would move with it and make a line. Okay, next is repeat in this. Okay, so repeat is basically repeat a specific amount of times. So, since there's two repeats, you would repeat this repeat. So, first it would repeat these two pieces of code 4 times. Okay, so that's move 100, turn 90 degrees, move 100, turn 90 degrees, move 100, turn 90 degrees. Okay, then it would turn 36 degrees. Sorry, it turned 36 degrees. So then it'd repeat this. So then it'd repeat all of this 10 times. On to the second piece of code. In this, the first part's basically the same. It's go to the middle, erase everything, put your pen down. Then you have a variable. This variable is set to 0. Here, when you repeat this, okay? It's the same thing, repeat. But you repeat 100 times. This block right here changes the color by 5 every single time it repeats. This block here is the variable, okay? This variable equals 0 right now. But each time that this code is repeated, 3 is added to its amount. So if it repeats 100 times, it'd turn into 300 eventually. So it'd move 300 steps. Like that. Now turn 36 degrees is turn 36 degrees, and turn 180 degrees is turn 180 degrees. Turn 60, not 60, why do I keep on saying 60? 36 degrees is right here. This is 36, this is equal to 36 degrees, and this right here is equal to 108 degrees. That's what these two codes are, basically are. And if you're wondering how they look when they're together, it's weird. Yeah, when they're together. But when they're not together, it looks better. Bye.